As a business website builder, you usually have to hire additional software to design logos, slogans, edit pictures, and many other assets from your company. It would be great to find all your necessities met in one place without even thinking about leaving the same platform. And this tool that you will learn about today delivers precisely that and more. In this video, we will present Zyro, a website builder that enables you to create beautiful websites or e-commerce sites in under an hour, even if you have no prior experience with website building or management. So, stick around to discover how great this tool can be for you and your business. Welcome to softwaretrailers.com. Your brand needs a beautiful logo. With Zyro, you can create one in just a minute, and the best part is that you can do it for free. With Zyro's AI Logo Maker, anyone can create a unique logo. You will be able to develop your unique logo for your business with no expert help. With the Zyro Logo Maker, you can customize your logo in any way you like. For example, you can design a logo with an icon, size, color, and text. Your logo design will be fully licensed commercially. Use it on social media, business cards, and anywhere your brand is visible. Zyro's free online image Resizer maintains photo quality. You can use the online image Resizer to resize your photos to fit your website's needs. Whether it's a profile image, a YouTube banner, a GIF, or a product image, each format has a recommended size. Drag and drop your photo or photo file into the image upload window. Then you can choose the image size and aspect ratio that best suits your website. This free image resizer can display low-resolution images at large sizes without compromising quality. It is best to avoid using other companies' trademarks when naming a corporation. It protects new businesses from legal issues and helps recall business ideas. It can help you come up with a memorable business name. First, enter your target audience's keywords. Then search the results for distinctive business names that suit your brand identity, image, and values. Remember that domain names and business names are stolen constantly. And if you don't choose the right name now, you probably won't later. So, pick a name that fits your business and start with Zyro. With a powerful title for your blog or post, Zyro can help you increase traffic and conversions. You won't be stuck with useless content. Instead, with innovative and informative material, you'll be able to provide actual value. Your blog will become the best source of high-quality material on the internet, thanks to Zyro, and your competition won't have any chance of competing with you. Zyro's AI Heat Map is an AI-powered analytics tool that helps you understand how users see a web page. In other words, it enables you to figure out what your visitors want to see. Heat mapping allows you to optimize your web pages based on real-world data while designing them. You'll know where visitors will click, scroll, and ignore a website. This program can also predict how visitors will view and traverse a web page and what they will focus on most. These heat maps help you organize your website for maximum conversions to see where your primary call to action should go. Zyro's AI Writer automates content development for your website or online store, saving you weeks of work. In addition, your writing is SEO-friendly and tailored to your business, so you look your best online. The Zyro AI Content Generator develops unique writings. By reading a lot of information from each business, the AI writer learns how to write similar content. This ensures the material prepared for you follows SEO and online copywriting best practices. You save money and time by not doing it yourself or hiring someone else. Zyro's Photo Enhancer allows you to easily upscale and expand your images with only a few clicks. In addition, you can put your photographs to work without sacrificing quality thanks to the artificial intelligence-powered Smart Upscaler. With sharp and high-resolution images that keep visitors interested for more extended periods, you will be able to put your best foot forward for your website or online store. You can also boost image resolution without sacrificing quality. Select the photographs you require sharpening and send them to the upscaling tool. Then let contemporary technology do the heavy lifting. When developing a website, it is important to remove background distractions to view the clearly defined subjects of any image. Zyro's artificial intelligence-powered app makes transparent backdrops for any photograph. In addition, the AI Picture Background Remover eliminates the backgrounds from photos and improves quality in seconds. Furthermore, Zyro makes it simple to create a translucent background. The advanced computer vision algorithms instantly identify the subject and remove the background while retaining the main subject when you upload a photo. Zyro allows you to generate and utilize free favicons without service charges or royalties. Your ideal favicon can be created in minutes with its simple interface and easy-to-use features. Zyro's free favicon generator provides thousands of pre-made patterns to let you create your own. Simply pick a template, customize it to your liking, then click Download. You have complete ownership of your favicon image. You can use it on your Zyro site or anywhere else, whether on Apple, Android, Chrome, or other devices. As you have seen, Zyro is an excellent platform that provides complete services from security to web design, providing excellent websites and online stores, leaving you no need to use any external tools to keep your business going. If you want to use Zyro services, you can do so by clicking the link in the description. Also, check our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers, and don't forget to subscribe to our social media channels. Thanks for watching. See you next time.